Hello students, Saraswati Sisukund welcomes you. This is video for standard 10th subject English for the English medium students, right? Okay, so before the exam I explained two stories about flying, right? Means part 1 I explained. Out of two stories about flying, the title I completed one chapter of part 1 and that was asked in the exam. So today I will discuss about part 2, the black aeroplane. As I told you, two stories about flying. So first story was about a bird and second story is about a aeroplane, because both can fly except that nobody can fly. Okay, and see, both stories are written by different writers, right? So this story is also written by different writer and the previous one also written by different writer. Let's see what happened in the black aeroplane. Let's see. See, both story just somewhat interesting. Let's see. The moon was coming in the east. See, you can see in the picture that the moon was coming in the east behind me. It means the writer was in the west side, because he could see the moon in the east side. So obviously he was west side. Okay. So and stars were shining in the clear sky above me. It means he was flying an aeroplane and he was going towards east side, and you can literally see the moon in front of him. It means he is in west side. Okay. So when stars were shining in the sky, as he could see above him, there wasn't a cloud in the sky. When he started his journey, then he was not able to see any clouds. Means there was no clouds at all. But I was happy to be alone high up above the sleeping countryside. Now see, obviously he is a pilot and he loves to fly while taking aeroplane. So he was feeling happy that he was flying alone in the aeroplane as a pilot, right? Then see, I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane. Here Dakota is the name of the aeroplane. Here Dakota, you can see in the second picture, is the name of the aeroplane. So the name of the aeroplane was Dakota and he was flying over France back to England. Means he went to France and now from France he is going back to England. Let's see what happened at night alone. In the next line it will come how much time, right, at night. So see, when he was flying from France back to England, I was dreaming of my holiday and looking forward to being with my family. Now see, when he went over there to France, now he was thinking and dreaming, I want to go back to my home with my family. Okay. I looked at my watch. When he looked at his watch, 1:30 in the morning. See, 1:30 in the morning the time was, right. So see, at night 1:30 he thought, I want to go back home and let me just go alone. So when he was about to go, there was no cloud in the sky. Sky was clear, moon was in the east, he was flying from west to east, and then let's see what happened with him. Let's see. See in the next para. See, I should call Paris control soon. Now Paris control, it means when a pilot goes in the sky, he has to talk with a person that is in Paris control, right, through radio and through other instruments. So he has to contact again and again for the how it will go, for the direction, for the weather, right, he will talk, right, to the Paris control. So I should call Paris control soon, I thought, as I looked down past the nose of the aeroplane. When he was about to look down the path of the aeroplane, I saw the lights of a big city in front of me. See, obviously when you are above the sky, obviously you will feel downside the atmosphere, wonderful you will see downside everything nice. So he was looking over the city sky, how lights are there, how city looks like from the aeroplane, and I switch on the radio. Obviously, they have to contact with Paris control through radio. So he switched on the radio and said, Paris control Dakota DS-088 here. Means he was giving his address of the aeroplane. Paris control, can you hear my voice? I am Dakota DS-088, right? The name of the aeroplane. Can you hear me? I am on my way to England, over. See, he has to inform Paris control that I am this, my plane number is this, and I am flying from here to there. So, please help me for weather, please help me for direction. This way he has to inform. This way pilot has to inform. So, he informed. You can see in the picture, right? He was in the plane and he was flying, right? Let us see when he informed to Paris control what happened. Let us see. See, the voice from the radio answered me immediately. See what was the time? 1:30 night, right? Means early in the morning we can say. So that time also, same time when he talked, same time he got answered that yes, DS-008, I can hear you. See, means the duty of the Paris control people also may be night duty and day duty will be there. So they have to be there 24 hours, okay. So they have to be there 24 hours, and yes, they said yes, I can hear you. You ought to be turned 12 degrees west now, DS-008 over. See, Paris control inform him about the direction and about the weather that you have to go 12 degrees west side, means whatever direction for the weather they give to the author, right. Let us see next. Then after what happens? See, I checked the map and compass. As you can see in the picture, I have put the picture of compass, right. This is a compass, or we can say compass, a kind of map. Switch over to my second and last fuel tank and turn the Dakota 12 degrees west towards England. As given instruction by Paris control, he did that and he went over there 12 degrees west side towards England. See, when he went, he was happy because he was about to meet his family, and when he was going, there was no cloud, and when he informed Paris control, they informed him that you should go west side for England about 12 degrees. Okay. So, let us see. I will be in time for breakfast. What is the meaning? See, breakfast I will talk about after 1 minute. See, he was thinking that right now 1:30, it means early in the morning at the time of breakfast I will be with my family. See what he was thinking. I will be with my family early in the morning at the time of breakfast. Okay. So, I thought a good big English breakfast, you know, South Indian breakfast, Punjabi breakfast and Gujarati breakfast. Gujarati breakfast includes dokra and handwo and thepla, right. Same way South Indian, idli, sambar, dosa. So, here the word is used English breakfast, it means you can see egg and toast and salad, right. So, this is called English breakfast he was waiting for. Okay. Everything was going well, it was an easy flight. See, he was flying very smoothly at night 1:30, means early in the morning. He was thinking about breakfast. I will meet my family, I will eat breakfast, that is called English breakfast, and I will be very happy and I will enjoy my breakfast today for sure. Let us see, was he able to take that breakfast or not? What happened to him after that situation? Let us see what happened in the next para. See, Paris was about 150 kilometers behind me. from Paris, means from France to England. Now 150 kilometers back, now he has gone forward, right. So he has passed 150 kilometers from Paris, and when I saw the clouds, storm clouds, after 150 kilometers, when he was thinking about enjoying with his family, about breakfast, he saw the clouds. As you can see in the picture, not common clouds but storm clouds. And you know, if you are in aeroplane and if you meet across with clouds or storm clouds, it is dangerous, right. So see, they were huge, all means clouds were very huge. They looked like black mountains. All clouds were looking like literally black mountains. I cannot come across, right. I cannot across the clouds, okay, he was thinking. Then standing in front of me across the sky, how can I go from these clouds? It was not easy. So he was thinking what to do. I knew I could not fly up and over them. He was thinking I could not fly over the sky and I could not fly behind the sky. What to do? And I did not have enough fuel to fly around them to the north to south. See, he was unable to go from over the sky. He was unable to go behind the sky. And last option, let me just go around the sky or clouds, north to south or south to north. But the reason was he didn't have enough fuel. What was the reason? He didn't have enough fuel. Okay. So what he thought? He thought that I ought to go back to Paris. He was thinking that I think I should go back to Paris. But how much kilometer back? 150. So how can I go back? It was not easy to go back even. It was not easy to go further from north to south, around it or downside or upper side, right. So he thought I wanted to go home, I wanted the breakfast. He said that anyhow I want to go home, though I will take risk but I will go home. So he was thinking I don't want to go back. So I will take the risk, I thought, and flew that old Dakota straight into the storm. He thought that anyhow I will take that risk and I will go further, I will not go back. So that old Dakota straight into the storm. So he decided, so he went inside the storm, and let's see what happened in the next para. What happened? See, inside the clouds, when he decided, he went inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. You can see in the picture, everywhere just clouds and he was inside the clouds. So he was unable to see because there was storm clouds and black clouds, okay. So it was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. It was impossible for him to see anything outside the aeroplane. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. Obviously, he was unable to get any direction from the Paris control. So he was jumping and just not able to understand what to do. So I looked at the compass. Obviously, I told you Paris control, radio, compass, means from all the instruction he will get, from all the instruments he will get the instruction. So he looked at the compass. I could not believe my eyes. The compass was turning round and round and round. Means the map direction of the compass was not helping. It was just moving round, not giving any direction because of the storm clouds. Okay. So it was dead. It was dead means died? No. What is the meaning of it was dead? Not working. What is the meaning of it was dead? Not working. Okay. It would not work. The other instruments were suddenly dead too. I tried the radio. All the instruments that he had, he tried. It was dead. Compass was dead. Now he thought, let me try radio. The last option, let me try radio. So through radio I can talk to Paris control. See the picture. how he was. And if you are in this situation, what will happen? Our mind will become blank. Our mind will become blank and we'll suddenly think, I am going to die. So he tried radio and he said, Paris control, Paris control. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Do you remember in the first when he started flying, he talked to that Paris control, right? And they said, yes, we can hear you. But now when he tried now, Paris control, can you hear me? Then see what happened. There was no answer. There was no answer. Obviously, he was in the storm clouds. The radio was dead too. Even the radio was also not working. I had no radio, no compass, and I could not see where I was. See, all the instruments as a pilot he should have, all the instruments were dead. He was unable to understand what to do. I was lost in the storm. See, above the sky in the aeroplane, then no fuel, no compass, no radio, then no instruction from Paris control. Obviously, the mind will say, I am going to die. Okay. So, he was lost in the storm. Then in the black clouds quite near me. Suddenly what he saw? Suddenly there was another aeroplane he saw. I saw another aeroplane. See, suddenly even Paris control didn't know from where this aeroplane came. Suddenly there was another black aeroplane in front of him. It had no lights on its wings. See, you know when any aeroplane flies, there will be lights on the wings. So, in this aeroplane there was no light on the wings, but I could see it flying next to me through the storm. See, suddenly from where, I don't know even that from where this aeroplane has come, there no lights in the wings, and let us see what happened. I could see the pilot's face even. What he is saying, I could not see only that plane black, but I could see one pilot's face turned towards me, just suddenly came to help me, right? Suddenly came towards me. I was very glad to see another person. You know, when you are feeling frightened, when you are alone, and when you find another person, you will feel happy, right? Because you will find the company. So what happened? See, he was happy to find out that another person over there. He lifted one hand and waved. See, suddenly from that he said and he waved like that to that aeroplane, to that pilot, so he can be relaxed. Then see, what he said, you can see the picture, two aeroplanes. One pilot from and the other pilot came, then he came and what he said, follow me. He was saying, follow me, I will help you to come out and to take this aeroplane from this storm. I will help you, just follow me. So see, he knows that I am lost. I thought, means the person or pilot thought he knows that I am lost, that is why he has come to help me. So he is trying to help me. He has come especially to help me. Then what happened? He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north. See, he was unable to go from above the sky, downside the sky. So turned his aeroplane slowly towards the north and in front of my Dakota, so that it would be easier for me to follow him. See, you can see in the picture, exactly in front of his plane, he was above him and exactly he was following him. Then what happened? See, I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. See, I was happy to follow him like an obedient child. You know how children are following their parents, their friends, their teachers. Same way, I was happy to follow him to save my life from this storm. So he was following him. Then suddenly, after half an hour, the strange blank aeroplane was still there in front of me in the clouds. See, till half an hour, that aeroplane of black color was helping him and following him, and suddenly what happened? Now there was only enough fuel in the old Dakota's last tank to fly for 5 to 10 minutes more. Now see the last option. Though black aeroplane has come to help him, but the problem was that fuel was not that much. Means till 10 minutes fuel will be there and then it can be crashed. Aeroplane can be crashed. So he was thinking, though another aeroplane has come to help me, but because of this fuel I can be died or my plane can be crashed. Let's see what happened. I was staring to feel frightened again. He became frightened. You know that scientists and all, they are going to moon, they are going to mission Mangal. You have seen movie, right? So it is very difficult when oxygen will be over. If fuel will be over, there are chances to die. Okay. So see, he was feeling frightened, but then he started to go down and I followed through the storm. So though he thought I am going to die, he became frightened, but he thought, let me try to save myself. So still he was following him and he was following in the storm. Suddenly I came out the clouds and saw two long straight lines of lights in front of me, as you can see in the picture. What is in picture? Runway. What is in picture? Runway of the airport. You can see lights of both sides. So see, suddenly I came out of the clouds and he saw that now I am safe because I have found runway and airport it was safe. And airport it was safe. So see, because of that black color aeroplane pilot, he helped me and he said follow me. I followed him and then I came out from the clouds and suddenly I saw the lights of the street and there was runway of the airport and I was safe. But I turned to look for my friend in the black aeroplane. When he turned back to see where is my friend of black aeroplane, but the sky was empty. There was there was not any another aeroplane in the sky. When he turned back, see, the sky was empty. There was nothing there. See, when he turned back, there was nothing. The black aeroplane was gone. Suddenly black aeroplane was gone. He could not see anything in the sky, not that black aeroplane, not that pilot that he helped him to come out from this storm. Okay, I could not see it anywhere. He was unable to see anything where it was gone and where is that pilot. So see, I landed. When he saw the airport and the runway, he landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. He went inside the Paris control and he thought that let me just inquire about that person where he has gone. Okay. So see, I went and asked a woman in the control center where I was and who was the other pilot was. See, he was excited to ask the lady that was sitting in the Paris center that can you give me the detail who was the another aeroplane, where was the another airplane and who was that pilot that helped me out. So I want to say thank you. See, I was and who was the pilot was. I wanted to say thank you. Without saying thank you, I will not feel good and he helped me out. So I wanted to thank him. So please can you tell me the detail of that airplane so I can thank him. So see in the picture, the pilot was asking to the lady that was sitting in the Paris center and see the reaction. When you see the reaction of that lady, what do you feel? She doesn't know about that aeroplane as well. Let's see. See, she looked at me very strangely and then laughed. The lady was laughing by looking at him that which aeroplane? Are you talking about which aeroplane? I have not seen any aeroplane at all. Only you were there in the sky, right now in the sky. So see, another aeroplane, She was asking very strangely, another aeroplane? Up there in this storm? In this storm, another aeroplane that are you talking about? Not possible. No other aeroplanes were flying tonight. This night, except you, there was no other aeroplane, only you were there, right? Yours was the only one I could see on the radar. Yours only one I could see on the radar. Radar means a kind of we can say on the screen of the laptop or computer or any instrument that they have, they can literally see that how many aeroplanes are flying, from where to where, which direction, which position they can see. That is called radar. Okay. So, see, she said that I am here in the center. I am unable to see from Paris to France to England any aeroplane except you. I am unable to see. So, who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio? He was feeling strange. He was feeling surprised that who was that pilot? I didn't have compass, means it was dead, the radio was dead, and how that person has come to help me. Even my fuel was about to empty, right? So, how is that possible that without fuel, without compass, without radio, I just came out from the storm and I saw the runway, I saw the airport and I was safe? How is that possible? I am unable to understand. Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane? Who was the pilot? From where he has come? Flying in the storm without lights. Flying in the storm without lights. See, generally when you see from a terrace, if any aeroplane is passing, you can see lights because wings have lights. So, this black aeroplane didn't have any lights at the wings, right? So, how is that possible that another aeroplane called black aeroplane came suddenly in the storm and without compass, radio and any instruction, he helped me by saying that follow me. Even writers saw the face of the pilot. So, how is that possible? See, how is that possible? The writer saw that plane and a pilot and unable to see at last when he reached to the airport. So, see, what does this story say? Miracle. Miracle can be possible. Sometimes we can say myth means a trust on God. Anything can be possible, right? So, in short, we should have a confidence. In short, we should have a faith in God. In short, we have to be confident when you are in problem. So, see, what have we learned from this pilot? He was about to go home from France to England. He was feeling happy when he was flying. There was no clouds. Suddenly he met across the black clouds. There was storm clouds and he was feeling frightened, and compass was dead, radio was dead, all the instruments were dead. Suddenly a black aeroplane came with pilot and helped me by saying that follow me, and he helped. When the pilot found runway of the airport and then he came out from that, but when he went and when he saw back, there was not at all any other aeroplane. So, this chapter ends with the mystery, with the question, you can tell me when you will come to school that from where this aeroplane came, or how is that possible? Maybe his imagination, anything can be there. So, you can tell me what was the answer and about that pilot's question, that who helped me and who was the pilot. An imagination and we can say a faith, we can say a confidence or any psychology, you can tell me. Okay. Till that you revise and your exam is over, so you are feeling nice, you have enjoyed Raksha Bandhan festival, right? 3 days you have got free. So, now you have to be continue and you should enjoy while reading and learning. Okay. All the best, read, revise, for the next exam because you have to read continue. Thank you.